Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your JLL employee account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser and go to your default search engine. Then search JLL employee login. Go to the first link that shows up or go to www.jll.co.uk. It will then take you to the official website of JLL. Then you can log in with your webmail or intranet. Then enter your username. Then enter your password. To make login easier, you can click on Remember My User ID, but I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer. If you are a client of JLL and you are using your own corporate credential to access JLL application, then press here. Once you have entered your login credentials, press Sign In. Then you should be able to log into your JLL employee's account. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.